Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having another conversation with Leonardo. Leonardo, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, Darren, thank you very much for having me. I'd like to start by saying hello to everyone that is watching. My name is Leonardo Marques Sanchez. Just call me Leo, it's easier. I'm a tax lawyer, a tax partner in a law firm in Portugal, also a tax law professor at the Portuguese Catholic University. My main areas of focus at this point are national, domestic, and international issues pertaining to individuals. So I think that's a little bit of what we are going to discuss today, right?
All right, fantastic. What time of the year is best to move to Portugal from a tax perspective? Which month of the year?
Yes, as soon as possible, I think is the right answer. From a Portuguese standpoint, as a rule, every case has to be judged by its merits. Everything has to be a case-by-case analysis. But from a Portuguese tax standpoint, because as a rule, we apply the split year, it doesn't really matter. You just move, change your tax residency, become tax resident as of that moment, and will be treated as a non-resident before that. The issue that I always have to pay attention is not the country of arrival, it's not Portugal, is the country of departure. So, for instance, if you're moving from a country that does not apply the split year and will either consider you resident or non-resident, well, then, we need to avoid dual residency conflicts. Obviously, we have quite a wide network of tax treaties for a country with our size. But, if there is a residence conflict, it's a mess that we prefer to avoid. So if you apply your split year also in the country of departure, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure you meet with all the formalities that will make sure you cut your ties in the country of departure. You're very welcome in Portugal. You can move whenever you want. And if you reside in a country that does not apply a methodology of the split year or something alike, well, so in that case, perhaps it's better to move in the first 6 months or whatever is enough not to trigger residence in the other country.
Understood. Thank you for that. Leo, if people wanted to get in touch with you, to hire yourself, to hire your team, what's the best way to find you?
I think I can be easily found on Google. So just Google my name, Leonardo Marques dos Santos, and I think the law firm, Miranda's law firm website will immediately pop up with my email addresses. That will be easier. I'm easy to find.
All right, fantastic. Thank you.